Hello everyone. Today we are going to discuss some basics of reciprocating pump. So let's start with the main parts and working of a reciprocating pump. This figure shows a single acting reciprocating pump. This is suction pipe, this is delivery pipe, this is suction valve, this is delivery valve, this is cylinder with a piston rod, a connecting rod and a crank. This piston can move forward and backward in this close-fitting cylinder. The movement of this piston is obtained by connecting this piston rod to the crank with the help of a connecting rod. And this crank is rotated with the help of an electric motor. This suction valve is non-return valve. It allows the movement of water only in one direction, and that direction is from suction pipe to cylinder. This delivery valve is also a non-return valve which allows the movement of liquid only in one direction, and that direction is from cylinder to delivery pipe. When this crank is at A, the piston is at its extreme left position in the cylinder. And when this crank rotates from A to C via B, that is, this angle theta changes from 0 to 180 degree, the piston moves towards right in the cylinder. That is, the piston moves in this direction. And as the piston moves towards right, in this condition, a partial vacuum is created in the cylinder. Now the pressure on the surface of the liquid in the sump is atmospheric pressure, which is more than the pressure inside the cylinder now. So the liquid from the sump is now forced in the suction pipe. This liquid opens the suction valve and enters the cylinder. Now when the crank is at C, the piston is at its extreme right position in the cylinder. And when the crank rotates from C to A via D, that is, the value of theta changes from 180 degree to 360 degree, the piston starts moving towards left. That is, the piston starts moving in this direction, due to which the pressure of the liquid inside the cylinder increases and it becomes more than atmospheric pressure, due to which suction valve closes and the delivery valve opens. The liquid is forced into the delivery pipe and is raised to the required height. So this is all for today. Thanks for watching this video.